Well, your forecast is an active one. We had showers, thunder showers rumble through overnight. Weren't severe, but quite a light show with some frequent lightning there. That may have woken you up. And we've got a little bit of activity still hanging on this morning, most of it out of state, but there's a pretty good shot of rain as you get down around Owsley County between Beattyville and pretty much coming right up on top of Boonville there. And also some lightning out to the west outside the viewing area south of Shepherdsville, and numerous showers, thunder showers cutting across Indiana. So this batch may hold together just long enough to graze our northwestern counties this morning. And then into the afternoon, we'll wait for development that could be on the strong to severe side, especially late afternoon into this evening. That's the last 12 hours. We did have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings down south, and there was one that just went right across the border early this morning, but didn't have any here this morning. And now we're just keeping an eye on that batch over Indiana. There's a slight risk for severe storms from eastern Kentucky running all the way out to the east coast, and then a marginal risk as you head into western Kentucky, because we'll see additional showers and thunder showers firing up by late this afternoon into this evening. Boom, there you can see it. So maybe between dinner time and midnight is when we have the best potential to see a few warnings and maybe some isolated damaging wind gusts and torrential rainfall. Cold front drops in tomorrow. That will give us yet another chance for some showers and storms out there into the afternoon. And then high pressure builds in for the weekend and things finally change up. This is the big picture view. This is enhanced infrared satellite imagery because I wanted to show you this swirl of cloud cover, this wave of low pressure way out in the Atlantic. That is Tropical Depression 7, and yes, it is way out there. If we put the track on, you can see it with that westerly progress making its way into the Caribbean by possibly early next week. So we've got a chance to see Gonzalo. That would be the next one on the list. And you may have heard overnight there's also a pretty significant earthquake around Alaska, 7.8 magnitude. There was a brief tsunami warning out that they did then cancel, but they were evacuating folks at least for a couple of hours earlier this morning due to that potential. Our Bluegrass Airport temperature 71 degrees. It's 68 in Danville. It is warm. It is muggy. That doesn't change. Upper 60s to low 70s for the dew point. The one good thing is the heat index should be held in check somewhat today because we're going to limit the sunshine. We'll have partly sunny skies, but then as the showers and storms are up, that extra cloud cover will blow off. And with more storms tomorrow, notice the heat index is not hitting the mid to upper 90s, near triple digits. I mean, it'll get into the 90s at times, but as those storms fire, that'll have a nice cooling effect. Other problem, though, in addition to the cooling effect, we'll have that chance for a few strong to severe storms, especially late this afternoon, this evening, and that locally heavy rain. A lower severe threat tomorrow. Strong storms still possible Thursday, though. And then we do simmer down storm-wise, but crank up that heat this weekend.